우리 스팸 먹을 때 스팸 이거 하는 게 빼는 게 제일 힘든 것 같아. 이렇게만 하면 계속 나오네. It's working. Okay. 한 이 정도? Okay. Oh my god, I'm doing so good. Okay, I'm stuck. No. Okay. 일단, these are what I need. Thank you.
Oh, be careful. Okay. 좋았어. Okay.
Practice makes perfect, yes. Oh, hey, this is not that bad. I really want to show you, but... Okay. No, not yet. A little bit more, right? Smells so good. Oh, you guys can't see. Sorry. Is this sunny side up? Okay. Okay. And then what next?
빨리.
Huh? 타. 왜?
It's too hot. The first time.
Me or when I'm with you? Add rice now. Sorry guys.
얘부터.
Sorry. 냄새가 너무 강해서. Okay, I put rice. 나 되게 잘하는 것 같아. 참기름 안 넣나 여기서?
맞아.
오, yeah. Okay. Almost done. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Not too bad. Uh-oh. Sorry. Okay. I'm gonna put sunny side up right to there. Ew. Wow. Not bad. Oh. Okay. It's good. Ta-da! Okay. You know what? I wanna, take a photo. No photo, please. Sorry. Oh, smells so good though.